just the beginning here. So this is progress after about 2 hours. Grove is mostly clear at the moment. And got 2 rather large piles of stuff. So this is after 4 hours of hauling branches with the bobcat. There's still more to come. All of this is actually goes way back there. It's a huge pile. Another huge pile on the other side of the driveway. This was today's project. It took 2 people and 1 bobcat all day to haul all the branches that we've cut in the last 2 or 3 weeks up here so they can be picked up by a truck that will take it out to a big wood grinding operation to make mulch out of it all. So it's been a very busy day, very busy several weeks toward the end of mango season. It's just something that you should do, and hopefully your trees aren't as big as ours are, or were.